turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. How to make money with just your phone. No office, no laptop, no excuses. Here are 10 plus ways to earn using only your smartphone. We spend hours a day on our phones. But what if some of that screen time turned into income? With just a smartphone, Wi-Fi, and a few apps, you can tap into real side hustles and income streams no matter where you are. This week, we're breaking down how to make money using only your phone. Let's go. Number 1. Create content that pays. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels were built for mobile. Record videos, edit in apps like CapCut or InShot, and grow an audience around something you love. Earn from creator funds, brand deals, affiliate links, driving traffic to digital products. Number 2. Flip and resell items. Use your phone to list items on Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, eBay, or Mercari. Take clear pics, write simple descriptions, and sell locally or ship from home. Start with things around the house. Profit from decluttering. Number 3. Freelance from your phone. Write social captions, transcribe audio, or design graphics with Canva Mobile. Use Upwork or Fiverr to sell your services. If you can type it or swipe it, you can freelance it. Number 4. Try paid task apps. Take surveys with Swagbucks or Google Opinion Rewards. Test websites with user testing, Calm, or try Meta. Small tasks, small payouts, but it adds up over time. Number 5. Share affiliate links. Promote useful tools, Amazon finds, or digital products through TikTok, Threads, or Instagram. Use Linktree to organize your links and earn every time someone clicks and buys. Number 6. Sell digital products. Create ebooks, guides, or templates with Canva or Google Docs. Sell them via Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Build once, earn forever. Number 7. Rent what you own. Use Turo to rent out your car, Airbnb for spare rooms, or Neighbor for storage space. All managed with your phone. Number 8. Go live or launch a podcast. Go live on TikTok or Instagram to teach, promote, or engage. Or use Spotify for podcasters to launch a show from your phone. Monetize through gifts, sponsors, and links. Number 9. Flip digital real estate. Buy and resell Instagram handles or domain names. Offer mobile-friendly services to local businesses like review management or simple content. Number 10. Invest and stack rewards. Use Acorns, Robinhood, or Coinbase to invest small amounts. Earn cashback or crypto with apps like Fold and Brave. You don't need a degree, office, or startup money to build digital income. You just need the phone that's already in your hand. Pick one method and start today. What would you try first? Hit reply and let us know.